Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of Euro dollar in front of us. And as we can clearly see that we do not have any good volatility in the market right now. Market is more or less flat, and the reason is the NFP, non-firm payroll. Yes, today is a big day for forex traders because first Friday of every month is the NFP day. Market is full of volatility, and market usually prefers to stay silent before a big event. You can go to any economy calendar to check out the time in your country. This is forexfactory.com, and you can see in my time zone. I stay in India. I'm from India, and it is coming at 6 p.m. Just go to the economy calendar, change the time zone according to your country so that you can be prepared. Market will be extremely volatile, so please be careful. Do not gamble with your capital and hard-earned money. Beginners, new traders, try to close down all your US dollar positions because stop loss may not work because of extreme volatility, and NFP is a big event. Okay. If you look at the news, you can see USD index may consolidate if jobs data does not shock. So yes, market is also confused regarding the news right now, and if it is saying that if the jobs data isn't good enough, then market may simply show price rejection. That's it. And if you look at the chart of dollar index DXY, you can see that after this uptrend, after this recovery, dollar index is going for recovery before the NFP, before the event. High chance that market will be continuing this present trend only. If the correction on dollar index continues, you can expect DXY to take support around 102.00 or 102.10. This is the support zone on DXY. We have FIBO 23.6% retracement level, as well as previous resistance will be working as support around this area. Plus 50 moving average. I don't think so. Market will break, DXY will break this level before the NFP. In case market shows extreme volatility, 101.50 will be the next support. But as I said, usually we don't get to see much volatility before the news. So we can definitely hope that this level will work. And in case market shows a big drop after NFP, we have 100.50. Usually I say that do not try to follow any technical after the news, because usually technicals do not work when the news dominate the market. But today, in case DXY drops, we have a good chance that 100.50 may act as the support for the market. Okay, and market is expecting some shocking data, but I think that there may be some price rejection also. Let's wait and watch. Okay, so 100.50 is a level after the news, but again I'm not confident. Nobody can predict the market after news because we are retail traders, and that's a bitter reality of the market. And if you look at the chart of euro dollar here, then you can see the number of trading opportunities are very less or almost nil before the news, because the volatility of the market is very low here. And you can see that euro dollar is standing at 1.0954, and it is almost trading at the previous support right now. After going for a breakdown because of less volatility, the breakout failed and market is trading at the support only. So obviously we do not have any opportunity right now, because you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 for almost 12 hours market is standing at support, and we have no clue in which direction the market is heading. So as a result, try to avoid in this particular portion of the market here. And during the European session, if market goes up, okay, during the European session, if market goes up, then you can look for some selling around 1.0975. Around this level, observe the market. We have the 100 moving average. If market shows a reversal max to max, you can look for profit of 15 to 20 pips. In this present condition of the market, okay, 15 to 20 pips is good enough. Okay, and most importantly, okay, Euro USD is not in an ideal position right now to trade. So if you're not in blind love, madly in love with Euro USD, please avoid Euro USD. This is not a good chart to trade right now. And this is the first resistance before the news. If market reverses, you can look for a quick sell. On the other hand, okay, if the upside continues, okay, if the upside continues, 1.1000 to 1.1010, this is also a resistance for us. 1.1000 is a round number psychological resistance, and along with that we also have the 200 moving average around this area. So these two are dynamic resistances in the market, and I don't think so market will be breaking these levels. So these are the two resistances in front of us before the news, but in this condition, I don't think so market have the strength and potential to go up. If market go up and reverses, then we can look for a sell. That's it. Okay. And if you're wondering about the support levels, then obviously the support is there, and the support is still the same. That is 1.0880. We have already discussed about this level in our previous videos also. 1.0880 and 1.0840. These are the two support levels on the chart of Euro USD. In case market shows a big drop before news, you can look for some support around this area, but the chances of market going down and hitting these levels are very less right now, because usually before a big event, market prefers to stay very low volatile. Okay, and that's all from my side. Okay, it's better to avoid Euro USD right now. This is not, Euro USD is not in an ideal position to trade. Okay, and if you look at the chart of gold, then gold data, okay, is giving an indication that there is a possibility of market going towards the upside. So yes, there is a slight possibility that we may get to see some drop on the chart of dollar after the NFP. This is just an assumption, okay, and after all, okay, news is above all. We cannot predict the market, okay, because market manipulation is a bitter reality, and we will have to accept it as a trader. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Okay, let's wait and watch. Again, I'll repeat, if you trade on other pairs, then try to focus on other pairs. Euro USD is not in an ideal position to trade right now. If you have any ongoing buy or sell position, you can be on the trade, because the market is totally confusing, and the chances, okay, of market, okay, moving are very less right now. And as a trader, volatility is very, very important. Okay, so just wait and watch, and be careful during the news. Do not gamble with your capital, hard-earned money, because after all, capital protection should be your first priority as a retail trader. Okay, bye bye, take care, all the best.